So last week I talked about my double stochastic and how I use it and how it can be traded, and I'm going to show you a recent trade that I'm in right now as I speak, and how I use it, same as what I was talking about last week. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so last week I talked about my double stochastic. You had this slow stochastic through here and you have this faster stochastic through here. And I said that whenever this slow stochastic gets down the bottom and this faster stochastic starts to get a bit of divergence on it, it generally leads to a pretty big move. And as you can see, I got in on, I think it was this day here. Yeah, this day right here. I got in on this day right here. And the reason why was because we actually held this low through here. And this, or both of these lows, this area through here is that weekly support level. The market is coming down through here. It held this, it had like a bit of a small double bottom. If you look at that, it made like basically a double bottom. And you can see how this higher close came up through here. So once I saw that, and I was seeing my double stochastic starting to get some divergence on it through here. Now you can't see it squeezed up like that. I mean, like open the chart up like that. So if I squeeze my chart up, if I take everything off the screen now and just squeeze my chart up, can you start to see the divergence now? See how we're getting the divergence through there. And if I get up my trendline tool, you can see here how we're getting this divergence through here. The market's coming down. This overall area through here was a massive weekly support. That tells me we're getting ready for a run, and I believe we're getting ready for a really strong rally, and at least until these stochastics get oversold, and then that'll be the area where I'm looking to sell. Or obviously if the market doesn't do what I think it's going to do, then suddenly start to go down, then obviously I have my levels where I'll get out as well too. But right now, guys, I'm in a trade right now. As I said, I got into that right there because of the divergence, because of the weekly support, and because, guys, overall we had this big extended move. So there's three things I was looking for this trade, and you can utilize this right now. One, I was looking for major weekly support, and I'm trading a daily chart. This is a daily chart. So this area over here was a major weekly support. Two, I was looking for an overall move to the downside. So we were at least expecting a pullback, because as you know, that's how the markets move. They don't just simply go in one area. They generally have a move in one direction, but they look for a pullback. So I'm looking for a pullback, and secondly, we've got that faster stochastic divergence, and on top of that, we also got some good decent volume, and especially this day here got some good volume. I wouldn't enter in on this day here because the market's gone up too far, but I did get in down here. I'm still in a trade right now. I expect more upside, but we'll see how it goes. So anyway, guys, that's the tip for today, and that's what I want to talk about today. I did talk about that last week, but I wanted to show you a real trade of how I use the double stochastics, and sometimes it can pick some extraordinary moves in the markets. And so anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope this helps you out. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.